So guys, if you want to fix this problem, head straight to your phone menu, scroll down below and try to search in for your phone settings. When you find it, try to tap on it to open it. Scroll down, tap on app management, tap on app list, wait for it to load. After loading, you're going to see all your apps on the phone over here. Now tap on this three dots at the top right corner. When this pop up, tap on show system, tap on search applications, type in Google, then add in PL. So when you type in Google PL, you're going to see Google Play Services and Google Play Store. Let's start with the Google Play Services. So tap on it. Tap on the three dots over here. Tap on uninstall updates. Tap on OK. After that, tap on notifications. Make sure you allow notification. Go back and tap on the storage and card. Tap on the clear cache. Go back and tap on this force stop. Tap on OK. Tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Make sure it's turned on. After doing this, go back and do the same thing for Google Play Store. Tap on the three dots over here. Tap on uninstall updates. Now tap on OK. Now after that, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure it's turned on. Go back and tap on the storage and cache. Look down below and tap on the clear cache. Go back and tap on notifications. Make sure allow notification is turned on. After doing this, you have to tap on the force stop. Now you tap on OK. So after doing all this, what you have to do is to restart your device. Tap on the power button, tap on restart, and restart your device, and this problem is going to get fixed. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in our next video. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section down below.